Welcome back to Wheels Steeze. Today we've got something epic lined up. We're diving into the Shanghai Motor Show, where China's automakers are showing the world how it's done. Forget about the usual American muscle and trucks. We're about to reveal 7 Chinese vehicles that could easily take on the big American brands. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's roll. 1. GWM Tank 300 V8 Hybrid. A true off-road beast. First up, we have the GWM Tank 300, and it's not just any SUV. This bad boy packs a 4.0-liter V8 engine paired with a plug-in hybrid drivetrain, making it one of the most exciting off-road machines on the market. And it's not just about raw power. The Tank 300 comes with a live front axle, ensuring maximum off-road performance. It's built to go head-to-head with American icons like the Ford F-150 or the Ram 1500. And trust me, this V8 is no joke. It's got that aggressive off-road stance and will take you places most American trucks wouldn't dare to go. Plus, with hybrid tech, you get both power and efficiency, something that's been sorely lacking in American off-roaders. Get ready for the future of rugged luxury. 2. Nio ET7, the future of EVs. With battery swap tech next, let's talk about Nio, China's EV powerhouse. The Nio ET7 is a game changer, especially with its battery swapping technology. Forget waiting hours for your car to charge. Just pull up to one of Nio's stations, and in under 5 minutes, you'll be back on the road with a fresh, fully charged battery. But that's not all. This luxury EV comes with LiDAR and radar sensors, paving the way for autonomous driving. The ET7 also features a spacious executive interior, complete with massive screens and a panoramic roof, giving traditional American EVs a serious run for their money. It's a tech lover's dream, sleek, fast, and designed for the future. 3. Nissan Frontier Pro PHEV, Navara's future. Let's switch gears to something a bit more rugged. Nissan's Frontier Pro plug-in hybrid. This might be a prototype, but it's signaling a massive shift for Nissan's future models. The Frontier Pro combines a powerful V6 engine with a plug-in hybrid system, offering the best of both worlds. Raw power for tough jobs and the efficiency needed for longer drives. The design is aggressive, the interior is luxurious, and it's packing serious off-road features, including front and rear diff locks. This could very well be the Navara's successor, and if it comes to Australia, it's going to challenge Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux in a way we've never seen before. 4. BYD Yangwang U8, the Chinese Rolls-Royce. Up next is BYD's Yangwang U8, and let me tell you, this is the Chinese Rolls-Royce. With 4 electric motors, it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 3 seconds. And that's insane for an SUV that weighs over 3 tons. The U8 is all about luxury. Gold accents, carbon fiber, and soft-touch interiors that'll make any luxury brand nervous. It also features an advanced autonomous driving system and can even float in water for short periods, making it more capable than any luxury SUV we've seen. At a fraction of the price of a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, this SUV takes luxury and performance to a whole new level. If it ever hits the Australian market, it will be a direct competitor to the best. 5. MG Cyber X, the future of electric SUVs. This one's for the tech fans, the MG Cyber X. This isn't just an electric SUV, this is a tech powerhouse. Styled by designers from Volkswagen, Rolls-Royce, and BMW, it has that boxy, rugged look we love. But what really sets it apart is the cutting-edge tech. It's expected to have AI-powered systems and pop-up headlights. A throwback to old-school cool, but with modern-day performance. If you're someone who loves a sleek, futuristic SUV with next-gen capabilities, this is the one to watch. And with affordable pricing, it's a real Tesla killer waiting to happen. 6. Mazda EZ60 and EZ6 EVs, affordable luxury. Mazda's EZ60 and EZ6 are the surprise stars here. These China-made electric vehicles are packing massive 5K displays, Dolby Atmos sound systems, and luxurious interiors at a fraction of the price of their competitors. The EZ60 has a range extender with a 72-kilowatt engine. Inside, there's premium leather, huge infotainment screens, and digital mirrors. If you thought Mazda was just a budget brand, think again. These EVs are setting the bar for what affordable luxury should look like. 7. Changan Hunter Hybrid Ute. The Changan Hunter Hybrid Ute is the ultimate off-road machine. It combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine with electric motors at the front and rear, making it a true powerhouse. The battery in the center provides better balance, and with front and rear diff locks, this Ute is ready for anything: rocks, mud, or sand. It's also got massive all-terrain tires and a custom step system for easier access to the bed. What do you think? Which one of these would you pick over an American classic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it.